Hello, I'm with Don Buff with Severna Sew N Vac, located at 550 Baltimore Annapolis Blvd in Severna Park, and Waldorf Sew N Vac, located at 1250 Smallwood Drive in Waldorf, Maryland. Today we're going to go over the Cyclovac central vacuum that we have here on display, and all the benefits that you have with the new style central vacuum systems. What's new in central vacuums now is you have the Wally, which is a stretchable hose that you can mount in a utility room, workshop, or just about any room in your house. And get in cracks and corners, clean up your workbench or your laundry area, and then just reattach it. As you can see, it shuts itself on and shuts itself off. Okay. Also, you have the kick pan here, which allows you to sweep the kitchen floor without having to get out a dustpan and then turn it back off. More importantly, the new hose material that the Idaho system has, which is revolutionized the central vacuum business. This hose material comes in 60-foot lengths. You can install one 60-foot hose in your house and lock it in whatever length you want. So if you only want to pull 30 feet out to do the room you're in, maybe the room next to it, you can do that. Or you can pull it out as much as 60 feet, hook it to your power nozzle. Now this is an air-driven brush. Now most central vacs don't have enough power to do run a turbo nozzle very fast, so you don't get as good of results. But this unit, has enough power to take up dog hair and deep clean pretty much any area. This hose material is much lighter than the traditional electrified hose that you drag around 30 feet of hose and have to store in your closet. With this, the Idaho hose retracts back into the wall, and the only thing you're storing in your closet is your power nozzle. And we can install these units in an existing home that is already built, or we can put it in a new construction. So you have your option to get all of the additional equipment or just what you need. We look forward to seeing you for all your central vacuum needs, and if you're looking for something that is truly efficient and innovative and takes care of all your cleaning needs, central vacuum's always been the way to go. Thanks. Have a great day. We'll see you next video.